Hi friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video we are talking about Dogecoin. Dogecoin is one of the best cryptocurrencies, and especially in the previous days they take a high jump, but unfortunately now in the previous last 1 week they continuously fast occur in Dogecoin. That is why a lot of people confused. As you can see here, the previous period of the Dogecoin are very on the trending period of Dogecoin. A lot of people buy a Dogecoin, but unfortunately from the previous last 1 week they continuously fast occur in a Dogecoin, hour by hour, day by day fast down occur in a Dogecoin. So a lot of people confused that what should they do. So in this video I will show you the next move, the next target of Dogecoin friends, and on the basis of technical analysis friends. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new in my channel, so kindly subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more news and updates friends. Now let's start the video friends. As you can see here, the current price of the Dogecoin is about 0.26891 USD dollar is the current price. The price of the Dogecoin is very low. That is why a lot of people buy a Dogecoin in the cryptocurrency market. And if we look, as I told you in the start of this video, it only continuously fast occur in the Dogecoin. So as you can see here, the last 1 hour change is negative, last 1 day change is positive, but last 1 week change is also in negative friends. That is why a lot of people are confused that what should I do at this time friends. Now let's see the price prediction chart of the Dogecoin. As you can see here, the last 1 day price prediction is in the positive because they move upward in the previous period. As you can see here, at this time a very bad fast occur. After that they again take a jump, as you can see here here friends. And as I told you in the start of this video, that the last 1 hour change is in negative friends. So as you can see here, now there is the last 1 hour, and as you can see here, only fast occur and the last 1 hour friends. That is why the last 1 hour change is in negative friends. If we talk about the high price of Dogecoin in the last 1 day period, so the high price is about 0.286881 USD dollar is the high price and the previous last 1 day. And now if you look the current price, so as you can see here, the current price is about 0.268916 USD dollar friends. Here is the 28 and here is a 26. So that's mean that the very bad fast occur in a Dogecoin friends. So what's the next move of Dogecoin? If we do a technical analysis of the Dogecoin, so as you can see here, let's suppose that is a support level and that is a resistance level friends. So as you can see, they continue as travel between these two lines, take a jump, after a jump again fast down, now again take a jump, again fast down, and now I think they are again ready for a jump. So now from the previous last 1 day, I think they are ready to take a jump. They are again ready to explode friends. So if you are a holder of Dogecoin, so don't worry about Dogecoin. They can easily hit a 1 USD dollar in April and May. Maybe they hit 1 USD dollar in the May friends. So what's your opinion about Dogecoin? What change occur in the Dogecoin? I think in the future changes of Dogecoin is a positive change, and they can easily hit a 1 USD dollar very soon friends. So what's your opinion? Please share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates.